Hey guys, welcome to Blushingbb Slime's first ever restocking video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'm so excited to be showing you all the slimes that are going to be available this Saturday, March 17 at 12 p.m. noon Eastern Standard Time. At that time, I'll be opening the shop at blushingbbslimes.com, which will all be listed in the description below. This restock is going to be really big, you guys, and I'm going to be debuting a bunch of brand new creations as well as some best-selling Blushingbb favorites. Just FYI, all the slimes in my restocks are typically available on a rotational basis, which means I tend to rotate and switch my restock items each week in order to feature new or seasonal items, except for a few signature classics. So if you have your eye on something, I would recommend you grab it before it's gone because I don't know if or when I'll bring it back. So let's just go ahead and get started. First up, we have our best-selling signature cake in a jar slime in this customer favorite flavor, Surprise at Tiffany's. This is probably going to be the last time I'm restocking this, at least for a while, since I've been featuring this for a couple of months or so now, and I want to make room for new slimes. So this is going to be your last chance to grab this one. It's scented like fresh coconut cake, and of course the surprise hidden in the cake is a little faux diamond charm, and as with all my cake in a jar slimes, this is sold as a set, so it'll come with a separate 2-ounce container of matching vanilla scented buttercream frosting, which is a butter type fluffy slime, and of course a separate packet of faux rainbow sprinkles. Next is a brand new release this week, and it's our super cute Secret Admirer cake in a jar featuring layers of ombre rose cake slime. This is scented like fresh roses, and you guys love little surprises, so I thought it'd be cute to include a little hidden pearl in the cake. And this pearl is just so pretty, you guys. It's got a golden and metallic pink gradient. It comes with a rose pink buttercream frosting slime and matching heart sprinkles. And another new release is the seasonal Fresh Baked Peeps cake in a jar. Okay, try saying Fresh Baked Peeps 5 times real fast. This is a special release for the spring season, which I am so looking forward to if you can't already tell. This was inspired by the super vibrant, fun colors of Marshmallow Peep Squad. You know, the yellow chick and the bright pink and blue bunny that I think are just so cute. And this is scented just like birthday cake. And then of course we have the vanilla scented buttercream frosting slime, and I decided to color this one a bright sunshine yellow to represent the classic yellow peeps. This also comes with a packet of little rainbow sprinkles, and when you mix everything together, the resulting color and texture remind me of a buttery cinnamon coffee cake. Up next, we have the one and only #1 best-selling queen of the pack, the cotton candy Snowphasis, which has become a classic Blushingbb slime at this point. This slime features a super fizzy snow texture that fluffs up so nicely and compacts so well in a duo of candy pink and blue. This is of course scented just like cotton candy, and the colors combine into a lovely lavender color. I released this one, I think, a couple of restocks ago, and you guys seem to really love it, so I'm bringing it back this week. This is Red Velvet Cake Rum in the signature Snow Fizz texture. This is scented just like red velvet cake, and the two colors combine into a soft cherry color. This next one is also a past favorite, and it's returned for a limited time. It's my Cookies and Cream Crumbs Snow Fizz, scented just like the name. On one side we have a chocolate cookie crumb slime, and on the other we have the white cream filling with fine glitters to represent little cookie crumbs. And they combine into a milk chocolate cookie color that smells and looks so tasty. And now I'm debuting a collection of my Snow Cream Crunch slime, new for this restock, inspired by one of my favorite desserts. In Korean, it's called bingsu. In Japanese, it's kakigori, but I love both versions of it, and this is my interpretation of that in slime form. This is similar to the Snowphasis, but it's made a bit differently, so if you listen closely, it's actually crunchier and more squishy. It's less stretchy than the Snowfizz texture, but it's just as satisfying, so if you're a fan of Snowfizz or crunchy fizzy slimes in general, you definitely want to get this. This first one is the Frozen Unicorn, which features a two-tone duo of bright pink and blue Snow Cream Crunch with purple glitter and faux rainbow sprinkles. I know I'm showing this in a cup since I'm out of time, and I'm importing this clip from my original Instagram video, but I'm actually selling this in a 6-ounce slice, just like the Snowphasis I've just shown, so that is what you're going to be getting. And in the same collection, we have Strawberry Sunset, which is actually strawberry and peach. So the red side is strawberry scented and the orange side is peach, and the two scents combine into such a delicious fresh fruity scent. You'll also be getting a cute cherry charm with this one, so if you're into fruity scents, definitely get this one. Last in this collection is Enchanted Seafoam. This slime features a duo of deep purple and aquamarine Snow Cream Crunch, scented just like coconuts. The colors are kind of inspired by The Little Mermaid and the deep waters, and I'm topping this one up with some neon star sprinkles to give it that enchanted look. The resulting color is just so pretty, like a star-speckled lilac. Next up is another new collection for this restock. This is my Frosted Refresher collection, featuring thick ombre clear slime topped with a layer of sugar slime to represent a little sparkling cocktail. This collection will be sold in 4-ounce jars, but I'm just importing the clips straight from Instagram, so I'm just putting it out there that the glass will not be included, but the slime will be the same one. So this first one is Water Spritzer, which features a clear aquamarine slime that graduates into an uncolored crystal clear slime and then finished off with some sugar slime. You're also going to be getting a little fishy in the slime as well, and I have so many colors of this guy, so you may be getting an orange, purple, or a blue one. They're just all so cute. And you'll also get a little paper umbrella as well. Please do note that because this is a softer slime, the colors may mix during transit. And then we have Candied Apple Cosmopolitan, which starts off with a bright red clear slime base that turns clear up top and a little apple charm that looks so realistic, except it's so cute and small. If only apples were this size in real life, they'd be so much cuter and easier to eat. This also comes with a little paper umbrella. And lastly, for this clear slime collection, we have Meteor Shower, which is an ombre deep indigo slime with rainbow star glitters all around. This one is so pretty. There's just something about purple and blue that's just so mesmerizing to me. This whole collection is unscented to preserve the clarity of the slimes, but it's just so beautiful you'll forget about the scent. Alright, and now coming back for the last time, this beloved enchanted jelly slime called Prelude to Spring. This jelly slime is just so thick and silky smooth. It's such a dream to play with, and I love the frosted aesthetic of it as well. So this incorporates a lot of spring-inspired motifs and add-ons, including some super cute daisy confetti, pastel foam beads, and bright sunshine yellow and pink glitters. They all combine into a lovely peachy orange that reminds me of sunset in the springtime. So for my previous restock, I released a special jelly slime to commemorate 200k followers on Instagram, and this is also going to be in the shop this week. This party-inspired creation is such a fun slime, you guys. It's got chunky holographic silver and red bouquet glitters, some silver and blue stars and iridescent leaves, metallic rainbow star glitter, and neon star sprinkles. It's definitely a fun one, and I love how playful this looks. And the jelly texture is so good, you guys. It's so thick and smooth, so satisfying to play with, and pretty to look at. Next up, we have a brand new slime that I decided to call Unicorn Trail Mix. It starts off with cotton candy and birthday cake scented blush pink slime base, topped with a sea of pastel foam beads, some mint green packing peanuts for extra crunch and texture, pastel heart sprinkles, rainbow sprinkles, and little pink heart confetti. It's such a cute slime with super satisfying crunch and texture. I just love this one so much, and I hope you guys will love it too. I'm definitely making multiple batches of this because you guys need to have this. I know I did a mochi squish collection with pom-poms last year, but I decided to bring it back for spring because these little pom-poms remind me of bunny tails. So of course, this first one in my spring mochi squish collection is called Out Buns Out, featuring baby pink and white pom-poms, baby pink foam beads, and a little bunny charm that I think is so adorable. This clear slime is thick and super clear, so it's going to be unscented to maintain the clarity. The mochi balls are super fun to squish, and they revert back to their ball shapes after a while, so you can keep squishing them, and the slime itself is holdable and just so satisfying and relaxing to play with. The next slime in this collection is called Chick Magnet, and it's got these sunshine yellow and white pom-poms with some bright yellow glitters and a tiny chick charm that's just waiting to be loved. This one reminds me of a bright, sunshiny day, and I can't wait for more of those to come soon. And lastly, for this collection, we have Spring Bouquet featuring pastel foam beads, sky blue and white pom-poms, and a little rose charm. So for the roses, I'm showing 3 out of the various colors that you may be getting, but this will include 1 rose since I do have very limited quantities of these cute little rose charms. Last but not least, the Cotton Candy Milk Mirror Gloss Slime is back, you guys, and this is a super glossy, silky slime that is scented just like cotton candy, featuring a duo of candy pink and blue slime. This may arrive to you partially mixed depending on how long transit takes, since the slime is a softer texture, but the mixed color is still so pretty, and I just cannot get over this gloss. Like, I am so lost. Alright guys, so that is it for this week's restock video. This is hands down my most extensive restock so far. I've never made this many varieties of slimes before, and I hope this means there's something for everyone. So do set your alarm for 12 p.m. noon Eastern Standard Time on Saturday, March 17 to grab the slimes you want on my website. And if you enjoyed this restocking video or found it helpful or want me to post more, please do give this video a thumbs up to let me know, and subscribe to my YouTube for more videos in the near future. I do plan to be more active on here, and I have a bunch of video ideas and tutorials to share, so please stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye!